Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be reviewing Dr. Barbara's Sturm Advent Calendar. Let's take a look what's inside. So there's 24 boxes in here, so let's get started with day one. So big, massive. So this is what it looks like. So we're gonna start with day one. Where is day one? Day one, what do we have here? We have Anti-Aging Body Cream, which retails for €95. Okay, let's move on to day two. Day two, what do we have here? Where's day two? Day two, let's see. We have face cream. It's an anti-aging face cream that will keep your skin hydrated, and this retails for €150. Okay, day three. Right here. So hard to open. Okay, got it. It's a clarifying face mask. I absolutely love this product. The clarifying face mask, it will help like unclog your pore. 20 ml like this one retails for $55, but the big one retails for $125. I love this mask. So moving on to day four. Day four, let's see, what do we have here? Day four, we have Glow Drop. This is her most famous products, and this is 10 ml, which retails for €45. I love to mix this with my foundation. It would just give me that glow, you know? I really like these products. So, this is already worth it. And moving on to day five. Day five is here above day three. So here we go. This is Face Cream Men. This one retails for €60, and the big one retails for €150. Well, I can give this to Marvin, my husband, so he can use it. So next is day six. Where is day six? Day six, oh, here. Down here, next to day four. So this one, ooh, I'm excited now. What it will be? It's a serum. It's a serum, everyone. It's a serum. It is Hyaluronic Serum. This product is literally everyone's favorite. This retail for €95, and the big one, of course, we all know how expensive it is. It's €260. And I'm glad I have this because I've never tried her Hyaluronic Serum because it's so expensive. But I heard a lot of good reviews about it, so now I get a chance to try it. Moving on to day seven. Day seven. It's here. What will it be? Day seven. My name's weird. Day seven is facial scrub. This retails for €15, and the big one retails for €55. I love this. Moving on to day 8. Here. This little door here. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's an ampoule. And day 8, we have the Hyaluronic Ampoule, which is, it's like when you're on the go, and this is very strong, so you can only just use this. This can be your only skincare for that night if you have a big event coming up. So this is very good. This is very practice. This retails for €125 for 7 days. So yeah, this is very good to try it. And you don't have to use it like 7 days straight. You can use it when you feel like you want to pamper yourself like extra. Day 9, right here. Day 9, what do we have? We have, oh, I love this so much. This is one of my favorite products from her, the Balancing Toner. It's so good that this is my best toner ever. And this one, 130 ml, retails for 15 euro, and the big one retails for 55 euro. I absolutely love it. I have the full size of this one. Now we come to day 10. Day 10, we have, what do we have here? We have another serum, the anti-pollution serums. This one retails for 45 euro and the big one retails for 125 euro. I absolutely love this one too because I used to live in Bangkok and Bangkok is very polluted, so I always drop this and mix it with the Hyaluronic Serum, and it's really good, and it's also help protects you not just for pollution but also from the blue light from the cell phone, which I'm addicted to my phone. We all are, so yeah, this is very good, very worth it. And we're come to day 11. Let's see what she has inside for us. Day 11 is, I got this. Day 11 is face mask, which retails for 95 euro. So we have clarifying face mask and now we have the face mask. Let's move on to day 12. We have come halfway already. Day 12, where are you? Here, next to 10. Let's see. I hope it's a serum because this is serum, this is serum, and this is serum. So I guess this is all serum, I hope. So let's see. What is day 12? It is a serum, everyone. Oh, it's the Super Anti-Aging Serum, which retails, this one retails for 110 euro and the big one retails for 295 euros. This is really good. Really worth it so far. Day 13 is next. Day 13. Oh, here, up here, the first box. Day 13 is her cleanser. It's a travel size. This one retails for 20 euro and the big one retails for 55 euros. I love her cleanser. It's a foam and you just put it in and it gives you a really clean smell. Love it, obsessed. Next is day 14. Day 14, it's above 24. It's inside day 14. I'm excited. And of course, we have the cleanser. We have the Enzyme cleanser. This little guy retails for 20 euro and the big one retails for 60 euros. This is very good. I love that it comes in the travel size because I need this. So you just put the Enzyme cleanser on your hand, mix it with water, rub it until it becomes a foam, and then you wash your face. Very good exfoliating. I love this. And we've come to day 15. Day 15, we have eye cream. This is 5 ml. It retails for 45 euro and the big one retails for 120 euro. We've come to day 16. Let's see what she has in here. Another eye cream, everyone. So we got 2 eye creams in this box. And it's day 17 next to the 24th. Day 17 is face cream light. This one retails for 60 euro and the big one retails for 145 euros. For those who have oily skin like me. Moving on to day 18. Day 18 is clarifying face cream from her clarifying line. This 20 ml retails for 65 euro and the big one is 150 euros. I use this line right now and I'm absolutely in love with it. It helps me with the oil on my skin. It helps me get rid of acne, so absolutely recommend this. Next is day 19, guys. So let's see, we have face cream rich. So we have face cream rich. This retails for 65 euro and the big one retails for 160 euro. We actually got face cream light and face cream rich. That's good. Moving on to day 20. Day 20, where are you? Here. So day 20 is her lip balm. It's a full-size lip balm. I absolutely want to try her lip balm, and now I get a chance to. This retails for 45 euro. It's a full size. We almost come to an end. Moving on to day 21 up here. So day 21 is AntiAging Primer. This retails for 55 euro and the big one retails for 85 euro. Day 22. It's down here, so I would guess it's a serum. Let's see if I'm right. Oh. Is it a serum? It is a serum. Yay! This one is the Brightening Serum. This retails for 100 euro already, and the big one retails for 270. So this kind is super worth it, everyone. We almost got all of the serums. Day 23. Day 23! Day 23. It's also here. I hope it's a serum. I hope it's another serum. Let's see. It is another serum. What is this? It's the Columning Serum. This one retails for 70 euro and the big one retails for 190 euro. Wow, we got 5 serums already. Wow. Last but not least, day 24, the last day. I think it's a full-size serum. So, let's see, right? Everyone, it is a full-size serum. It's the Glow Drop full size. This is 125 euro. That's it, everyone, today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing Dr. Barber's Sturm Advent Calendar, and in my opinion, I think it's very worth it because the value in here is a lot more than what you paid, and it's a very good opportunity for you to try her products and see which one works for you. So I highly recommend this because I love her products, and I think it's really working. And I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!